Hey folks, Tom Casey here from Griffin Service coming to you this morning to let you know that during this time of confusion and stress and fear and all the stuff going on, we are here, we are open, and we are ready to serve you 24/7. Whether it's an AC problem, a plumbing problem, a water heater problem, whatever you need, pick up the phone, give us a call, we're here to support. At the same time, even if you just have a DIY question, something around the house you're not quite sure, give us a call. If we don't know, I promise you we know somebody who does know, and we'll serve you, we'll hook you up, whatever it takes. At the same time, what I want to share with you today is a message that we're working on internally, working on it in our family at home, and working on our work family at Griffin. You know, I personally am so grateful every single day. And the more and more the world seems to get dysfunctional and crazy and all the stuff that's going on, I'm actually more grateful every day that that happens. Other people will choose to focus on the negatives, all the things that's wrong, of which if you just turn on the news, there's no problem finding tons of those. But me and my family, my work family, we're focused on choosing gratefulness as a choice. Conscious gratefulness, appreciation for what we do have. While political leaders and pundits and everything all around from every side is being divisive, pushing their agendas, getting on the news, having all these conferences, whatever it takes, just confusing the issue, pouring gasoline on the fire. We choose to support our leaders, regardless of where they are. Support our leaders and maintain hope that they'll do the right thing for our country, not their political agendas. Our country is being pushed to the brink, apocalyptic collapse. Businesses are closing, workers are laid off, and we pray for recovery. We pray for prosperity, rather than accept that somehow, some way, it would be acceptable to hurt our country's commerce or hurt our country's workforce to push some special interest or agenda. We're just not buying into it. Our kids are learning remotely. Lots of our friends and clients have their businesses closed down right now. Workers are furloughed. Family, friends, clients are on the shelter at home. They're not working. There's a lot of stuff going on. People can be complaining about how inconvenient things are, how bad things are. Well, we're thinking about how much worse it could be. And we're so thankful. So we're choosing to suck it up and deal with it, because at the end of the day, even with all those problems going on, you know what we've got? We've got the unconditional love of our family. In the case of Griffin, we have the unconditional love of our work family too. So we're going to focus on what's positive, consciously grateful. With people fearing for their lives or the lives of their loved ones, or heck, even just the lives of fellow human beings, we're going to remember it could always be worse. And we're going to be humbly prayerful that those people in need get the care they need, that they heal, that they feel better, that they recover, rather than focus on the doom and gloom. Instead of being part of the problematic narrative and all the stuff that's going on, you know what we choose to do? We choose to be part of the patriotic solution. We understand that regardless of who, what, why, our leaders at every level, in our company, in our community, in our state, in our government, will be successful faster and better with our support than with our anger and frustration and negativity. For me and my family and my work family, we choose to go back to the simple premise of united we stand. With no race, religion, political party involved, we know that if we faithfully take action and focus on solution, we will overcome. It's time to get back to kicking ass American style, and that's what we're doing. Boom.